Good afternoon, everyone. For those that might be just following our page or don't know, my name's Jessica. I'm the general manager here at HTR Durango Campground. Just wanted to come on and say happy Friday and talk to you folks a little bit about some of the green initiatives that we have going on here on property. So first thing I want to do is show you our new and improved guest laundry room. We just got energy efficient equipment and got this room all painted, and like I said, all new laundry equipment here that is good on electricity, really good on water use, and so we're pretty excited about this. And then just got some flowers going, still working on getting some things planted for this season. I'm up here at our main building. This is our front office where you come to check in. And we also make and bag our own ice here in-house, as well as we water everything up here with our irrigation water. We are off of a well here on property. Then something pretty cool that we're working on right now is, again, just some more landscaping and helping to find some better practices. So we've got Nancy here, our awesome lead housekeeper, and we've got some new amenities to go in our cabins. All of these are really nice green products. You got a shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and face lotion. So don't have to remember to bring your own. Now, Nancy, why don't you show them what else we're working on over here?
We are helping the environment and our plants with live ladybug release.
These are going to help get away some of the bad predators and pests that eat up our flowers and our garden throughout the season. We just got a whole bunch that we're going to release. They're definitely anxious to get out of those little satchels, I think. Cute. Go. Oh, the ladybugs. So if you're here visiting us this season and you see a ladybug, now you know why. And they're here helping us and gonna be our extra employees for the season. There they go. Gotta blow them off. All right, then we got a couple other things we're gonna take you to go see down the hill in the park. And we've got 4 more satchels of ladybugs to release. So we'll get this turned around here so you can kind of see where we're going. This is our off-leash pet park. Just got some solar lights put up around it and on the pathway so you can see where you're going if you gotta let your puppy out at night. Got some folks headed up to the pool. Howdy. And a new addition this year is our little take a book, leave a book library over here. So trying to kind of help with the recycling initiative. If you have any books that you're taking up too much space in your RV, feel free to leave them here. We're just starting this, so It's a little empty. Keep adding to it.
There's another donation.
And this was a really fun project the staff did last year and some of their kiddos and getting it all painted up. So we're pretty excited about it. And then we've got our stellar maintenance supervisor, Rob, over here doing some weed treatment on our sites. We just like to use a vinegar and Dawn combination, sometimes adding some rock salt if we need to hit these gravel sites a little harder, but never like to use harsh chemicals around the park. Same goes for the cleaning of our bathhouses as well as our cabins. We like to use lavender and peppermint to kind of help deter pests, and then using non-toxic cleaning products, fragrance-free laundry detergents, that type of thing. So we're really excited to be moving in this direction and hope that those are some initiatives that you folks care about too, and we'll be excited to see you when you come and visit us this season. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments and let us know what book you might be dropping off for our library this year. Hope you folks have a good weekend, and we'll see you later on this season.